The alabaster powder ball press consists of 3 parts. One is the feeding part. The feeding part of the quartz powder ball press is mainly to realize quantitative feeding to ensure that the material evenly enters the pair of rollers. The screw feeding device is driven by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor and rotated by the belt wheel and worm reducer to force the pressed material into the main feed port. The second is the transmission part. The main transmission system of the transmission part of the quartz powder ball press is motor, triangle belt, reducer, open gear and roll. The main engine is powered by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, which is transmitted to the drive shaft through the rod pin coupling, through the belt pulley, and the cylindrical gear reducer. The third part is the forming part, which mainly refers to the main engine part of the quartz powder ball press, and the core part is the roll. When the feed between the 2 rollers is too much or enters the metal block, the hydraulic cylinder piston rod is under pressure overload. The hydraulic pump will stop. The accumulator plays a buffer role on the pressure change. The leaf valve is opened to return oil, and the piston rod is shifted to increase the gap between the press rolls so that hard objects can pass through the press rolls, making the system pressure return to normal, which can protect the press rolls from damage.